I'm Jodie from Group Tidy, the project officer for Powys. I've been working on a local project called Caru Powys for the last around 18 months, which is all about supporting our local communities within the county around litter picking, behaviour change, and supporting people to kind of get involved in their local community and look after where we live. One of the schemes that we've helped support and set up is the Newtown tool share. So we've been providing a set of kind of basic gardening tools to local groups and organisations and volunteers who take part in kind of garden maintenance around the town centre. And it came out of a conversation that I had with several of them that they kind of needed sort of better access to tools rather than them sitting in their home sheds or having to transport them all the time. And through the project we were able to actually supply the tools for those local groups to use. So there are 3 main groups that are using the tools, all of which have a relationship with the local town council and are maintaining beds around the town centre. So by supporting them we're sort of increasing access to volunteering opportunities and also enriching biodiversity and conservation and that visibility of volunteering within the town.